Oh, it's still August, and it's still hot around the valley. We'll be around 100 today, pretty much like yesterday's weather. It's a little breezy, mostly sunny, and temperatures, again, probably hitting 100 in many areas from about Weslaco and McAllen westward. Rain chances start to get pumped up a little bit later this week. Probably not widespread rain, but the sea breeze should activate some more showers, maybe a couple weak thunderstorms. And I think there's enough moisture that, if it does rain on you, you probably won't get just like a sprinkle. You might actually get, a decent downpour for maybe 10 or 20 minutes where, it actually moistens things up. And then a little bit cooler too. I think highs mostly in the mid to upper 90s in most of the valley later this week, probably wiping out some of the 100s, although it's still likely to hit 100 in Starr County and western Hidalgo County at least the next couple of days. 96 right now in Weslaco, 95 in Brownsville, 98 in McAllen and Edinburgh, and probably again going to be in 100 from about the middle of the map westward. But it feels over 100 right now. The heat index with all that humidity feels like it's about 101 to 107 or so across the valley, and maybe hanging at this level all day long. And remember, that's calculated for the shade. If you're out working in heavy clothing or dark clothing, it feels much, much hotter. Your evening planner, as I showed you, the evenings are, humid, and at least it cools off somewhat. Temperatures fall from the 90s before sunset and kind of hang in the 80s after that. And it may be hard to even get below 80 in some areas very late tonight, with a light breeze around and plenty of humidity. Satellite radar shows not a lot going on. A couple of little spots of showers offshore. If we zoom it out, though, you can see that there are scattered showers out in the Gulf. Nothing organizing tropical in terms of anything spinning up, but this flow of moisture coming in from the east to the west into Texas eventually should increase our sea breeze shower chances a bit. This is the European model showing this is the precipitable water, kind of call it the moisture content of the air, and this yellowish color and eventually orange colors are more moisture. And you see by the time we get toward later in the weekend, some of this moisture in the Gulf starts to kind of move into parts of South Texas and the valley, and the reds there indicate some of the higher moisture values that could make it in by about Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. So with that flow of moisture coming in, kind of pushes some of the dry air out and gives our sea breeze a chance to pop off a couple of showers here and there. And that could begin as early as Wednesday or Thursday, but maybe a little more numerous by Thursday and Friday. Tuesday, here we are this afternoon. Temperatures back up in the upper 90s and lower 100s. Plenty of sunshine. It shows dry weather everywhere. Slim chance of maybe one little brief shower somewhere today. Tomorrow we start off mainly partly cloudy and then a few more clouds. You might see one or two little showers tomorrow, but still we're talking maybe 10 or 20% rain chances at the most, and probably just a quick shower, maybe a quick little downpour. Thursday, though, future track, I think this maybe looks a little excited, but, because of the resolution, it kind of spreads out the green. But I think showers, about 30% chance for rain on Thursday, maybe a few heavier downpours. And we're talking, if you get caught under a heavier sea breeze shower, you might get an inch of rain or so in one or two spots, but not widespread rain like it shows here, but just a few more numerous showers or a weak thunderstorm. And kind of the same thing for Friday, too. This model runs out in the morning, but the sea breeze could be coming to life again by Friday afternoon with a little rain. Again, future track shows almost no rain through tomorrow. There's 8 p.m. and maybe one or two spots. And then you notice it does try to add up more rainfall totals on Thursday, maybe some areas at half an inch or more. Again, not everywhere, but if you do get caught in a shower or a weak thunderstorm, it could at least give you maybe a brief 20-minute downpour. That's more than a sprinkle. So rain chances 10% tomorrow, up to 20% Wednesday, 30% by Thursday, and probably holding at about that 20 to 30% level all the way through the weekend and into early next week. So today, a dry day, maybe one brief shower could pop up later this afternoon with the sea breeze, but it's a long shot. Near 100 this afternoon. By tonight, down to about 79 with partly cloudy skies and still a little breezy early in the evening before the winds kind of fade away. First 7-day forecast, we're still sticking with about 99 or 100 in many areas on Wednesday, with a very small chance of a shower or a weak thunderstorm with the sea breeze. And then by Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Labor Day on Monday, roughly 20 to 30% chance most of those days. And that should pull down temperatures a bit. We're looking for a few more puffy clouds in the sky building up, so highs mostly in the mid to upper 90s across the valley and less 100-degree numbers. And if you are making plans on Labor Day, the whole weekend, not all day rain, kind of just afternoon, couple of showers and storms here and there. But it should rain somewhere each day in the valley, I think Thursday through the weekend. So we'll track it for you in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.